Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange standard pack in store of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you will be guaranteed 85 until 94 OVR player. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the quest, how you can challenge defense, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. And let's get started by tap the store button and this one. Standard pack. So there are limit here, 10 purchases per day, and there are possible reward here. For example, you can get the UCL group stage live player Jude Bellingham. For example, if you're lucky, you can get also Xabi Alonso. This is the icon player, prime icon player. But if you're not lucky, there are guaranteed rewards for you. This one, 75 until 94 mixed fashion player from UCL, UEL, UECL, or icon player. You only need this 1,250, or if you are top up, you need 200 FC point. So if you need this standard pack, you can exchange it in here in the store. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.